So east. So nice hotel. So nice. Ang gandang bar. Cute. So, kung gusto nyo mag-check-in dito, ito po yung kanilang mga bar. So, you can choose that. So, you can drink juice. And that is the whole buffet. That the eating place here. So much empty space. And this is drinks. So, you can choose your drinks here. Anything you like, so that is you can choose here, and then select some different kinds of teas and coffee. If you like good coffee here, so nice. Yeah, so they have Ethiopia, Brazil, and Colombia. So that's super nice. Yeah. And if you like some what do you call this? It's like wine, sake. Yan, so nice. Ang ganda. Ang laki ng space nila. And look at the design. And the other place is outside the veranda, the balcony. Yan. And they have ready the Wi-Fi here. No problem for Wi-Fi. Ay, si Pastor. Nagpapahinga kami because dito yung conventions. Just near here, this hotel. So we're going to attend the conventions tomorrow for 2 days. And it's a unique lion logo here. And that's it. So it's a nice place. So guys, if you want to come here, just come here, the Royal Canvas Park. So it is a nice place here. So you can come here and celebrate your stay here in Osaka with Kitahama, the Royal Park Canvas Hotel. So welcome here. So it's very nice. So mag-book na kayo. Hurry up. Very nice place. Very nice place. Beautiful place. Okay. Everything is here. So if you want to eat something there, so you can eat. If you want coffee, if you want to drink anything, latte, matcha, and everything, so you can come here. Okay. Okay. See you. Bye bye. Yeah.